morning, children. Okay, today we are going to start again English language, and the chapter is 4 countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable means which we can count, and uncountable means which we cannot count. So let's see what Sheena is doing in refrigerator. Okay. So Sheena opened the refrigerator to make a list of the food items inside it. So the list which she made: 3 milk, 5 bread, 2 mangoes, 4 juice, 2 honey, 6 oranges, 3 apples, 4 eggs. So find out, children, if there is any mistake in her list. Yes, there are some mistakes, because some nouns cannot be counted, like milk, bread, juice and honey. So nouns that refer to things that we cannot count are called uncountable nouns. We do not use a, an or one before uncountable nouns. Like example, there is a honey in the person. Pour 2 honey in the glass. Okay, so these both are wrong. So for writing uncountable nouns, we write as follow: a lot of, a little, some, few, a tube, of, a pinch of, a cup of. Okay, so for writing uncountable nouns, we use all these things. So we do not use a, an or one before uncountable nouns. Okay, so pour some honey in the bowl. Put a pinch of salt in the bowl. Okay. Many nouns, they can be counted, like mangoes, oranges, apples and eggs. So nouns that we refer to people or thing that we can count, they are called countable nouns. And we use words like a, an or one before singular countable nouns, like a pen, an orange, 1 cat. We use words like 2, 3 or many before plural countable nouns, like 2 pens, 3 eggs, many apples. Okay? So we do not use a and an before plural countable nouns. Okay? Like pens and eggs. So these are wrong. So let's do workout. Underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns. So onion. Okay. We can underline here: burger, underline; milk, okay; salt, yes; pasta, yes; oil, yes; orange, yes. Okay, so do rest of the work. Okay, now write these nouns in the correct columns. Okay, so you have to write here countable and uncountable. So children, that means many children. Rain, here rain, children. Okay, then flower, count the flower. Balloons, ink cannot be countable. Okay, write here flower. Okay, now fill in the blanks with a, an or some. So let's do. I ordered dash cup of coffee and dash French fries. So I ordered, what do you write here? 1 cup of coffee. Yeah, or you can write, I ordered a cup of coffee and some French fries. Okay. Next is, please get me an apricot and some mangoes. Okay, so in this way, do rest of the fill-ups. So here, underline the countable nouns and circle the uncountable nouns in this passage. Now, it was my little brother's birthday and we decided to celebrate it at home. Therefore, my elder sister Millie and I went shopping in the afternoon. We first went to the grocery store and bought some butter, some flour, some sugar, and a dozen eggs. Then we went to the bakery and asked the baker to pack a large strawberry cake and 20 pineapple pastries. Okay? So you have to underline the countable nouns and uncountable, circle the uncountable nouns. Okay? So grocery store can be countable, so we can underline it. Butter cannot be countable. Okay. Flour bean cannot be countable. Okay. Then sugar and dozen eggs. Okay. So in this way complete this. Okay. Now let's hear time for the game. Help the mouse reach the cheese slice it wants to eat. Remember that the mouse can step only on the uncountable nouns. Draw a line from the mouse to reach the cheese. Okay, you must have done before, children. So you have to take precautions while moving this rat to the cheese slice. Okay, because this rat should be step only on the uncountable nouns. Okay, so as you see here, sugar, salt, then water, milk, flour. Okay, so here, right? So what should be the root here? Very good. Yes. Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. So where is the cheese slice? Okay, here. So you can use this path. Okay, very interesting. So let's take away, conclude this. So noun that refer to people or things that we can count are called countable nouns, like 3 tables, an apple, a coat. Nouns that refer things that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns, like some soup, little sugar, some juice. Okay. So this is all for today, children. In our next class, we'll learn next chapter. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.